You probably heard the phrase move-in ready 100 times, but what does that actually mean? And why does it matter so much? Because here's the truth. Move-in ready doesn't mean brand new. It means livable, comfortable, and low stress from day one. A move-in ready home doesn't need immediate repairs. The major systems work. The home is clean, functional, and you don't have to start with a to-do list the moment you get the keys. No urgent fixes, no surprises. And this matters most because buyers are already stretched, financially and emotionally. They're thinking about moving costs, furniture, life changes, not renovations. So when a home feels ready, it feels safer. Move-in ready also isn't about perfection. It's about perception. Neutral paint, working appliances, updated lighting, well-maintained floors and bathrooms. When those basics are handled, buyers can picture themselves living there, and that's powerful. Homes that feel move-in ready tend to sell faster and with less negotiation. Why? Because buyers are willing to pay more to avoid hassle, delays, and uncertainty. Convenience has value. So, if you're selling, small updates and maintenance can make a big difference. And if you're buying, understanding what move-in ready really means helps you make a smarter decision. It's not about being perfect, it's about being ready.